So what are we doing? Or are you doing your makeup only, or do I do your makeup?
Should I take off my cardigan?
Yeah.
Wait, are you sure the lighting's right? You look dark.
Sorry. Seriously, why are you doing this in here? Why does it bother you?
Because it's my room!
Do you need it?
Obviously.
Well, we can wait.
I'm gonna shower and like...
So you don't need this half?
I mean, I don't understand why you can't do that in another room.
You have a pretty room. Be grateful. Just so you know, we're recording, so you can hear it.
I'm well, how are you doing?
Is that still recording too?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna close that door.
You want to be famous?
Well, not yet if we never start recording.
Okay, thank you.
Oh my god.
That's what I said.
Can you come tell your daughter to be nice?
Which one?
The one
They're
that-
in my way.
April. How many times are you gonna see this?
They're like the ones I got Christian.
I know they're blue Christians, right?
Christians are black.
Oh. Is that the
They're
thing?
the same brand.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to move.
like
Just stop talking.
Uh-huh.
This scares me.
Oh, really?
But you're good at it, so it's okay.
I'm good at my makeup. No, I'll do good. I've done Nicole's makeup for homecoming, and like, what kind of look do you want?
Like brown smoky.
So like smoky, or just like a light smoky?
Let's start light.
Okay. Did you want eyeliner?
Mm-hmm.
Like a sharp eyeliner, or like a smoky eyeliner?
Actually, we'll see about the eyeliner.
Okay. And you're gonna have to go on mascara. I can't do that.
That's fine. Actually, I do want eyeliner, but I don't want like a huge cat eye.
Okay.
I want like a natural.
Like a soft.
Yeah.
How do they do it? See. Oh, I'm nervous.
Don't be.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. Okay, well, tell me what. Use your booty blender.
Yeah.
Your beauty blender as like foundation.
Mm-mm.
Okay, I need lip gloss. Oh, this is the Victoria's Secret Shiny.
I've had that one for years, but it's still amazing.
It's expired.
Probably.
It's
But I still like it.
Oh, my lips look so crusty. You're gonna let me start like that?
Yeah, right there. We're really crusty.
I would have been so mad if we did all that and then my lips were all crusty.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm over here doing your makeup.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What?
It's the, okay, because it's a NARS Medium 2 Santa Fe.
It's the NARS All Day Luminous Wigless Foundation in the shade
Santa Fe Medium 2.
Pop It Off.
Oh, it's a...
Don't we need to color correct first?
Oh, I didn't know you had color corrector. So first we're gonna use the Sephora Bright Future color correctors in the green shade.
Because I got some stuff going on my face.
Ooh, we use this a lot. I'm just kidding.
You're hilarious.
You don't have many red spots.
Just those two.
Okay. That's enough. And then blend it out a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Would you use your beauty blender for this?
Mm-hmm.
A little red right there.
So shiny.
That's good. Shiny's in. Oh,
Okay.
where's your this?
So then what I do is spray my brush with my Fix Plus.
So now we're gonna take the MAC Fix Plus. I know that word. The MAC Fix Plus Prep and MAC. I'm gonna spritz a little
In the lavender.
scent on my
flavor.
on my Morphe M4444. Oh, that was nothing. Okay.
On my ears.
Not your ears? You don't want white ears. That's what gives you away.
I'm wearing earrings.
Oh.
Cut that out. Oh, it's gonna come out. I can feel it.
Sorry, we just...
Don't get it on my shirt. This is all I brought. Okay.
That's good. You can, oh yeah, you can do it. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, so now that's done. So now we're gonna conceal with the Naked Skin. With the Urban Decay Naked Skin in the shade Light Warm. Okay, so we're gonna, oh, you need a break. Already. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do a triangular shape and dots. Do you do dots? I do dots.
I don't do dots.
I don't usually do dots. What? Alright, the camera died for a moment. The MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Prep and Prime. So now I'm gonna take the MAC Fix Plus and just.
Okay.
Okay. In the shade Lavender, and we're just gonna bounce the booty blend.
What's the shade lavender?
Oh, the scent.
Oh my god.
Am I doing it too hard?
It's giving me a headache.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is because I'm blinking really hard.
Go.
Blinking
Okay.
so bad.
Have a look.
One more.
You sure?
What?
I'm gonna have to do them. I'm nervous. I like mine dark. I'll do your thinner. I mean, not thinner, lighter.
Well, I don't like them lighter. I just don't like them thick.
Okay.
Okay.
So now do you do your eyebrows first, or do you start setting?
I set it.
Okay.
Oh, this is running out. Hold on.
I have some settings powder, translucent. I have to show them what it is.
Oh, well, that's not what it is. It's our CMA powder, but I put it in a Sephora container.
Okay, so you're using the RCMA